So ayun na nga mga best, no, kita nyo naman yung kanyang headlight na naka round style at LED na rin, pati yung kanyang signal light. Syempre naka inverted forks tayo rito. Ang forma ng isang to, hindi ko masabi talaga kung classic ba siya or medyo modern classic yung datingan. Pero yan, ganda nung kanyang disc brake. Naka Brembo na rin yata to yung kanyang caliper. Napakalaki din yung kanyang radiator, and sa side meron tayong yung Husqvarna, hindi ko mabasa Husqvarna. And yung maliit na name niya, hindi masyadong basa, no. Kita nyo naman yung makina, naka naked tayo rito, pati yung kanyang shock na nasa side, and yung kanyang makina sa likod, sa ilalim, yung tambucho, yung kanyang rear brake pedal, foot pegs, ganda rin. Tambucho, kita nyo naman, 'di ba? Foot pegs para sa angkas, ganda rin. Napaka-quality ng mga ginamit dito. Naka-disc brake din tayo dito sa likod at meron tayong ABS. Ganda nung kanyang swing arm, no? Papapansin nyo. And syempre, naka-mugs tayo rito. At meron nga pala tong counterpart, yung bago na naka-spook. Okay, pero naka-tubeless. Taillight niya, naka-LED rin. Ganda rin ng forma. Grabe ang isang to. Modern classic yung kanyang datingan. Upuan, napaka-quality. Grabe ang isang to. Sa presyo, siguro kapag nakuha na natin yung presyo, kasi quick walk around lang naman ng isang to. Kasi hindi ko rin talaga siya masyadong naikutan. Saglit na saglit lang talaga ang pag-iikot natin dito. Pero tingnan nyo naman, handlebar, switches, panel, napaka-quality ng isang to. Ignition, simple lang pero grabe din sa mga switches. Round style na side mirror, quality. Yes. Hey. You know, may mga switch din tayo dito. Hazard switch, mga pindutan, yung clutch, yung grip, makapit yan, boy. Grabe, oh. Mga switches niya, oh. Napakalambot at napakalambot din ng kanyang clutch. Upuan, grabe, oh. Kita nyo naman yan. Diba? So, sa lahat ng mga gustong kumuha ng ganitong motorcycle, pwede nyo akong i-PM para at least ma-assist ko kayo sa mga gustong kumuha nito at para mapabilis, 'di ba? Matulungan ko kayo na makakuha kayo ng ganitong motorcycle. So, PM lang. PM is the key. Kung gusto niyo ng ganitong motorcycle, alam niyo na 'yan. Okay? So, hindi natin nasakyan to, pero merong sumakay na babae na halos magkasing tangkad lang kami. So, ibig sabihin, maabot ko rin to. Diba? Kita nyo naman. So, pwede yan pambabae at panlalaki. Let's go.
Let's go! It's time to be the GOAT. It's time to enter God mode, man, let's get it going. I wanna be the greatest, energy is overflowing. I know I'm stoking the fire, my desire's taking over, not tired, I'm inspired, rewired. I know just what is required. My brain knows how to decipher the messages, looking brighter. Already paid up the piper, my game is getting much tighter. I feel my body on fire. Now it's game time. All the practice to prepare for this main time. I could do anything, that's my baseline. Go ahead and do you, I'ma make mine. You gon' read me in the headlines. Always go up, I don't know a decline. On the glow up, getting better with time. Yeah, I'm about to hit my prime. The air is filled up with suspense. We've got our dreams, we must defend. And we know what we represent. So we'll keep fighting till the end. And we'll keep fighting till we win. This is our calling, this is our calling. Yeah, we'll keep fighting till the end. And we'll keep fighting till we win. This is our calling, this is our calling. Yeah, we'll keep fighting till the end. I hope you're ready for battle. You better get on the saddle. We got some demons to tackle. Yeah. We about to put on a show. These haters don't even know. They're in too deep like a hole. And they about to find out what it means when you enter into my house. How it feels when you always seem to strike out. Cause I don't lose, no I win, I go all out. The air is filled up with suspense. We've got our dreams we must defend.